So this is room 8353, which is a sunset ocean view veranda at the very back of the ship. Let's show you everything this room has to offer and the view from the balcony. We're gonna start in the bathroom, which is over here by the front door. And the bathroom here is actually pretty large for a cruise ship bathroom. You have a walk-in shower. It does come with the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner on the wall, and that is your shower head. You have some cabinetry in the bathroom and storage. It looks like one of the doors did fall off. Oh, maybe it is supposed to be glass. That seems dangerous. And then you have storage down here, and then a few drawers.
I like that storage that you can put stuff in and it won't fall out because it has the door. Yeah. And plus they have lotion and hand soap. You don't usually get that.
Yeah, that is true.
So that's nice.
Lotion and hand soap. In the bathroom there is one outlet, and it is a razor outlet located at the very top above the sink. So those are the plugs that it does have, and it is made for a shaver. This glass door is nice though because it does stop stuff from falling off. I don't know if that was added after the fact because I don't remember reflection having that. And you do have your hair dryer in here as well. Backing out into the main room, we do have a couch on this side. And then you have a desk. And then more cabinetry, that's where your safe is at, which is locked. And then you have your mini bar down here at the bottom. I'm sure you can ask Celebrity to remove this stuff, but this stuff is not included. You do have to pay for it. Different drawers. And then on the side here, you have your outlets, which is 2 American outlets, 1 European outlet, and then your light switch. This is an Ethernet cable, which nobody uses that anymore. And you do have a chair. Above the bed, there is more storage at the very top. And then it is a king, royal king, or a celebrity king size bed, which is 2 twins pushed together. On this side, you have the phone. And on this side, you don't have anything. Light switch is above the bed. There are no outlets by the bed. All the outlets are over by the desk. And then for the balcony, this is an aft-facing sunset balcony, which means at the back of the ship, a view of the wake. So here is your view. In the spirit of discovery, a smaller cruise ship behind us, and we are in Iceland. And you do have 2 chairs and a table. And then your view above you, unfortunately, people can see you from the top deck. That is the Ocean View Cafe at the top, which is the buffet. Not a lot of coverage from the elements and weather as well. But a great view. Should be great when the ship is underway and you can see the wake. Back inside there is cabinets where Nicole is standing. These are your closets, which you have plenty of hangers at the top. And then on this side you have your robes and then more storage. So, again, this is an ocean view balcony, sunset ocean view balcony at the back of the ship. It is room 8353.